In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down list in Smartsheet. A drop-down list helps standardize data entry so your team picks from a set of approved options instead of typing free-form text. This reduces typos, keeps reports clean, and makes filtering and dashboards much more reliable. I'll walk you through the simple path to set this up, and along the way, I'll share a few practical tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet's website. If you're prompted to sign in, use your account as usual so you land on your home screen. It's a good idea to think ahead about where you want this dropdown to live and what kinds of choices you plan to include, like status values or priority levels. Keeping those in mind will make the setup smoother once you're in your sheet. Next, click Browse in the left navigation. Browses where your workspaces, folders, and sheets are organized. If you work across multiple projects, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the sheet you want. If you're part of a shared workspace, make sure you have permission to edit the sheet, since adding columns requires the right access. Open your sheet from the list so you can see it in grid view. This is where the column headers appear across the top. Take a moment to decide where the drop-down column should sit. Placing it near related columns, like putting a status drop-down next to a due date column, can make the sheet easier for your team to scan and update. Now look to the far right of your column headers and click Add Column. This opens the column setup panel. Think about a clear, short name that makes sense to everyone who will use the sheet. Consistent naming helps when you're building filters, formulas, and reports later. Don't worry about getting the position perfect now. You can drag the column to a new spot at any time. In the column setup, select the type called Drop-Down List. This tells Smartsheet that the column should only accept predefined values. Depending on your plan, you may see options for a single select or multiple select drop-down. Choose the one that best matches your process. From here, you'll see on-screen fields where you can define your choices and adjust settings. Keep your list concise, use consistent capitalization, and avoid overlapping terms so filtering stays clean and intuitive. And that's it. The core setup is done. With a drop-down column in place, your sheet stays consistent, easier to filter, and far less error-prone. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Smartsheet.